Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and another what I eat in a day. For those of you that are new, I lost 50 pounds and I've been able to keep the weight off with smarter, healthier meal options and a better lifestyle. I do have an entire playlist dedicated to a bunch of meal ideas if you're interested, so be sure to check those out. Today's breakfast was pretty simple and a go-to for me. I'm going to first have my ice water, of course, and my coffee. I've been loving using my frother to froth up the creamer when I make coffee, and then I also like to top it off with cinnamon for added flavor. I will typically sip on my coffee for a little while before I'm actually hungry. This is another go-to for me. This is 2 hard-boiled eggs and half of a baby avocado just mashed up together. And then I like to top it off with pepper and some everything but the bagel seasoning. I'll have everything listed down below if you guys want to shop anything or check out more information. For lunch, I'm going to move on making a sandwich with the Light Style Pepperidge Farm oatmeal bread. This is only 45 calories for one slice, so it's up to you if you want to do like an open-faced sandwich or an actual sandwich, but you have that low-calorie option. And then I'm going to add one of my favorite spreads, the cucumber garlic dill tzatziki. This is so good. It has so much flavor. I'm obsessed with it. I like to use it as a spread. I'm then going to use 3 slices of turkey, 1 slice of cheese, and then top this off with pepper. The protein and cheese options are completely up to you. I do typically add lettuce when I have that as well, but you want to make sure that you focus on the protein and veggie. So for the added veggie, I'm going to also cut up a bunch of cucumber and have those on the side, still using the tzatziki as a dip. This is a great option to have rather than like your typical go-to chip. Tonight's dinner was one of Will's favorites. He really enjoys this one, and I do too. So here's everything you're gonna need. 1 cut up lemon, about 2 ounces of marinara sauce, 1/4 cup Italian breadcrumbs or panko, 12 ounces of asparagus, 1 ounce shredded mozzarella, half an ounce of grated Parmesan, and about a 13-ounce boneless chicken breast. So I first like to pat the chicken dry, season both sides of the chicken breast with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then lightly brush on a little bit of melted butter on both sides. Then transfer the chicken with the breadcrumbs and Parmesan all mixed together. Flip the chicken until it's completely coated, gently pressing this in to make sure it's fully adhered. Then you're going to transfer your chicken to one side of a prepared baking sheet, cooking at 450 for about 7 minutes. Then add the asparagus to the empty half of the baking sheet, spreading this as a single layer. And you're going to bake both of these again for about 10 more minutes. Then carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven and remove the asparagus onto a separate plate. Top the chicken evenly with the marinara and mozzarella, and then bake again until the cheese is melted for about another 5 minutes. Then plate both the chicken and asparagus, and you can squeeze the lemon wedges over top for added taste. I really love the light and fit Greek yogurts. I like them as dessert or snack, depending on the flavor. There's a lot of like sweet dessert styles, so I really like those when I'm craving something sweet. Like this one, this is the Boston cream pie flavor. It's really good. And here's the back, the nutritional label if you're interested. But they are, compared to other brands, lower sugar, lower calorie, lower carb, and higher protein. I feel like I have a ton of these on hand all the time, or just plain Greek yogurt that I can add cinnamon, honey, granola, or fruit to. Let's see what other ones I have. Here's a couple of the other flavors that I have right now. The key lime, super good, especially in the summertime. Vanilla is always a good staple. I have more back there. This is also a really good one, especially seasonally, like the more fall winter months. I feel like I prefer this one, the caramel apple pie, but really love those. I've eaten them for a long time. There's a ton of yogurt brands out there, and a lot of them can be really tricky because they hide a ton of sugar, fat, carbs, etc. that you don't need. So you may think you're eating healthier or better, smarter, whatever, because it's a yogurt or it says light or whatever, but that's not always the case. So make sure that you are always checking the nutritional value. Same thing with like cereal. I mean, honestly, same thing with anything, but simple things you wouldn't typically think, especially if they are marketing to be healthier or smarter, be sure to check those. But this is one of the ones that I definitely like and recommend checking out if you are a yogurt fan. So that's everything for today's What I Eat in a Day video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you're still subscribed to my channel and that you're following me on Instagram for more day-to-day updates. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.